the gun. My eyes are messed up. Gotta learn how to fire. Let's see, this is my dominant eye.
That's World War I.
Keep going.
You guys look at that sunset.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Looks like a forest fire out there.
Good. It's going to be a sunny day tomorrow. The sun will pass. You want to shoot it, Patty?
No, it's okay.
It gets heavy after a while. Christopher,
shoot it. There might be 10 more rounds left. Put the muffs on.
wanna come shoot
I
it?
can only put my eye this way.